So what's up with y'all, man? I'm just checking in. About to get this daily vlog going. Show y'all what I do, throughout the day. Y'all missed the morning, but we're in the afternoon about to go do the shoot. Then we're gonna finish it off at Rick's Boy Yard for my little bro birthday. Let's get it. What up, y'all? I ain't gonna fucking stunt. Well, I've been digging this weather, man. If it can stay like this for the whole year, I was there. I would never think about moving out of Indy. This is like the perfect weather, man. 70, no more than 79, the sun out. You can go swimming, you can wear shorts, t-shirt, hoodie, jeans, pants, whatever, man. This is the weather I'm talking about. Wherever this at, man, y'all let me know. That's where I'm trying to move to eventually. Let's get it. Man, I'm just trying to go get something to eat, but gotta wait on Ashley. Ass took me forever. Damn. Bro, I can't try to just throw on some clothes, just go get some food and go. Why does it gotta take an extra 45 minutes just to go get something to fucking eat? Somebody please explain, man. It's killing me. Now it's to the point where I damn near don't even want to go. I'm not even hungry no more. Dang. Look, now I'm ready to die fucking hungry. Yeah, I'm not even hungry. Fuck it, I'm gonna just keep eating my spit. Happy Saturday, y'all, man. Finally got a cut. About to cut the grass, get ready for Ashley's niece's birthday party. Speaking of 1 year, so let's get it, man. About to get the yard cut, get the yard together. We're gonna celebrate later, man. See y'all soon. Good afternoon. Just cut the grass. Now I'm about to hit the mall, man. We got Lucci tonight. They found me something to wear, some shoes, something comfortable. It's gonna be lit tonight, but you know, we still gotta go by the social distancing rules, so it's a limited capacity. We are selling VIPs to keep it smooth. Masks are required. You know what I mean? And about to head into the mall now, man. I personally think Greenwood is probably the best mall. What y'all think? Probably Greenwood or Calston. Downtown, down there losing right now. Lafayette Square down there better than downtown, but I'm going with Greenwood right now. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. So there's something I want to make clear, and Facebook seen this message first, but to the people that keep asking me to leave the city to expand, no, I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying here in Indy. I will continue to stay on my mission, grow this city, grow it in a positive manner, and we still gonna turn the fuck up. So yeah, let's get it. Like I said, Facebook seen that message first, but I'm not going nowhere. I'm still gonna rap my neighborhood. I'm still gonna do the community events. I'm still gonna throw parties. You know how we get down. No days off. Back out here on the bike. I've been slacking these last couple of weeks. Hey, I've been fucking big time. I'm back to daily, every day, every morning. I swear, this court right here could be dope for like a 3-on-3 tournament, a 5-on-5, or some type of basketball camp or something. Be dope as hell. We got this tennis court. Nice as hell. We don't really get to see them in the community we grew up, man. We gotta go outside the box. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to show my people. Also remember, the key is when you get outside the box is what's going on. Either you bring people out with you, or you bring back into the box the tools that you got to get outside the box. So, yeah, man, just when you get outside the box, forget about your people. A lot of people without the people, none of us will probably be on today. So let's get it. No days off. Saturday evening. I feel like the day getting sped up because they're trying to make us be in the house by midnight, but it's like 6:30. Concert start at 8, but right now I'm about to go help my family pay a month's rent, man, so they can get back on their feet due to this COVID stuff. So y'all know how that goes. So I'm gonna handle this community work, and then we're gonna turn up tonight, man. I'm gonna bring y'all with me for some exclusive footage of Lucci, man. Let's get it.
We letting this motherfucker with Lucci. Talk to him, Lucci, what you tell him? Put it on my arm. They come to fix with my mom. The boy done. All my car came for. I changed going. I ain't going, man. Look what we came for. Yeah, say. Got my name on it. What we say? She want me to put my name on it. What you got? One of the best you ever seen. Say. She like it when I stay on. One more time. Okay. That's why I ain't know. Expected it to be like this. Now I'm nigga getting rich. That's why every day we live. We say every day we live. Yeah. Today's only good. Yeah. Now I'm getting rich. When you down, call a dinner bitch to you. Know you lit. When you quit, take a nigga bitch. Then you know you lit. Hey, every day we live, we live. Every day we live. She lit over there. I see you.
Just now leaving. Use your Ultra Lounge. Shit was lit as usual. First concert during the COVID breakout, you know what I mean? Everybody came by, had a good time, had the mask on, social distance, partying, living. Y'all know how it goes, man. It's been a long weekend, man. So this is the end of the weekend. I'm gonna cut all the vlogs on Saturday night. You know what I mean? All my vlogs will be from Sunday to Saturday. So yeah, we turned up tonight. Had a good time, man. Shout out to Lucci. Shout out to everybody coming to support during all these times, man. Stay safe, stay healthy. Holla at y'all in 25.